What if your next home gave you one full acre, no HOA, and room to build the workshop you have always wanted? Welcome to 505 Trinity Avenue, a beautifully appointed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in Brooklet, Georgia. Beside the driveway, this open clearing could offer room for a future detached garage or workshop subject to buyer verification and local requirements. Inside, this home opens into a bright and comfortable living space with soaring vaulted ceilings and an open layout. Durable LVP flooring runs throughout the living area, while the beautiful stone fireplace brings warmth and character to the room. This kitchen is designed to stand out with 42-inch cabinetry, a designer tile backsplash, and plenty of room to gather around the island. You'll also find stainless steel appliances, a deep farmhouse-style stainless sink, and a built-in wine refrigerator that adds another great touch for entertaining. The oversized primary suite gives you plenty of room to unwind, along with a large walk-in closet and a private bath designed for everyday comfort. The spa-inspired bathroom features a 5-foot tiled shower with dual shower heads, double vanities, and a separate makeup area. Out back, the covered porch and fenced yard give you a peaceful place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the privacy of your own acre. 1 acre, no HOA, and room to create what comes next. Call or text me today to schedule your private tour of 505 Trinity Avenue.